Hi guys. No. I hear somebody's attacking a frog here. Leave it alone, Onyx. Onyx. You go inside. The frog was screaming. Oh, Mouse, no, you cannot attack the frog. Look at him. He's not moving. And look how many guys are here. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They're all watching. What's happened? I'm gonna start the water if you guys don't stop. I was so scared. I ran to see what's going on. And the frog was screaming. Nope, leave the frog alone. Come. Have coffee with mommy. Come. Come. He's not even moving. Come. Come, Mouse. Come. Let the frog alone. They don't listen, huh? You see? Niels, what was there? Come here. Couldn't even have my coffee here. Come, guys. Niels, leave it alone, Mousy. Hi. Come, beep, beep, beep. Hi, kitties. Look at that. We have a dilemma here. Frogs. Frogs and birds. But now I have to watch them. Hey, you hear that? Say no. Listen to this. Okay, guys. Let's go have a coffee with mommy. Hi. There's the activities in the yard, guys. Thanks for watching. It's a man day. I don't know. Everybody's crazy here. Screaming. Dogs barking. Look at that. I wanted the cat to be outside in the sun a bit because later I wanted to give it a bath. It's gonna be hot today. And that's what we're gonna do. Bye guys. Happy Friday.